Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at trigonometric ratio by using SohCahToa. You can see here that our x is known as the sine. We have c as the cosine and t as the tangent. The formula for Soh is x is equal to O, simply means opposite, and A is hypotenuse. In Cah, which is known as the cosine, we have c is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. T, which is the tangent or tan, is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we're using this formula to solve this. The first thing is looking at the longer side of the triangle is known as the hypotenuse. And what we look at the angle. This is angle 90 degrees. So when you want to get your hypotenuse, you draw a line from the angle 90 degrees to this to get your hypotenuse. And why this is the angle, which is known as the theta or alpha, and is given to us, you trace it down to the opposite side. This is called opposite. And y here is called adjacent. So now we are going to be looking at, for we to solve this equation, we have to pick one of this out of the SohCahToa. How do you pick that? You look at, we are not giving hypotenuse. We are not giving the variable, neither a number. So we have to work on this. So we are looking for the value of x, the number that is marked. So therefore we have to solve for opposite and adjacent. Opposite, if we look at the first one, if there is opposite and adjacent, then we pick that one for the equation. Now we have opposite, fine and good. Opposite is here. The next one given to us is adjacent. Adjacent is not counted. What we have here is hypotenuse, so this will not work. We cancel it. We are going to the next part of it. We are given in Cah, adjacent is there. You can see the adjacent A. But hypotenuse is not here, so we are not going to pick that. Coming to the last one, we have opposite, okay, and we have adjacent. So the formula for this is Toa, which we are going to be using our formula that says that tan theta is equal to, don't forget, t is equal to opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to bring this here, opposite over adjacent. So therefore, our tan theta, what is our theta? Is 40 degrees. So tan 40 degrees equals to, what is our opposite? 5. And what is our adjacent? Is x, unknown. So therefore, remember we want to make s the subject formula. So I will divide, I'm going to divide both sides. So this will multiply this. So this times this will give me, this times this will give me tan 40 degree x. Remember, this is cross multiply. This will multiply this, equals to 5 times 1 will give me 5. So for me to make s the subject formula, every number and every variables that is close to that x will be eliminated. By dividing both sides by tan 40 degree, tan 40 degree. So we are going to divide both sides by tan 40 degree. So we are left with x equals to 5 over tan 40 degree. So 5 divided, punch in your calculator. When you have a coffee bottle, you can check the tangent by looking at 40 degrees, that is number 40. If you check 40 under 0, you will get your answer. So tan 40 degrees is equals to 0.8390. So this will give us x is equals to, divide 5 by 8. 5 divided by 0.8390. This will give us 5.95. So we can take 1 to this. This becomes 10. So it means that we can take one if you have 9, and we're able to take 1 from the back. To add it to this one becomes 10. So we can take 1 to this. Our x becomes 6. So our adjacent here is what?